What's up mga bossing? Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. This time, we're going to unbox another cool toys. As always, from Japan, from Bandai, and this time, the Akarangers Herobank. So this one is pretty cool, pretty kind of weird. But this is like a cool kind of toys and a bank. So this one is, I was hoping that still working and still keeps swinging. So this one is released 2011. So how many years now? But still looking cool. And I don't know. I don't see any other figures for some reason. Same on this like the Herobank release. Only this one. Only Akaranger. So hopefully this one is still working and so we can play it on. So let's go. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go. We got the Herobank of Akarangers. Like the leader or the, assigned to the number one in Gorangers series. So this one is like a coin bank with a twist of those how do you call it, like an old kind of toys. Okay, this one is cut already. Okay, so hopefully that this works with our Canadian toys, because you need the coins to make it works or run. So okay, let's just take it out. So this one is part of the 35th anniversary of Gorangers. So let's check it out. But this is on 2011. So Gorangers now is like others famous for what we follow, like TV series or anime. So so but this one, how they call it, Tokusatsu. So since 1975. So okay, so keep going. Let's see. Okay, what's the tape here going on? Oh yeah. Over here. Okay. Something pretty cool. And here we go. I don't know what kind of position is that they do, but I'm sure they usually do that in the TV series. Okay, so we need to put some coins here. Got some switches here. Got a couple of okay, so this one, what we see here, the coins, so we can fill up all the coins here, and the battery compartment. So okay, so they just take out the battery. Okay, so just wondering why they make it so hard. So let's try this toothpick. I hope this will work. There you go. Now it's easy. So we need a AAA, 2 battery of AAA. So Okay, so we got 1 and 2. It's on my stash, so I guess it's still working. So I need to slide it down again. Push down. There you go. It's locked. And I don't know what's the A and B. That's pretty cool. Okay, so by the way, I think... Oh, no. How come shows here? Can remove it? Or you need to insert it? It's kind of tough, so I guess I'm not gonna do it or force it. So we got the Gorangers here, and we got the coins here. Let's see. What coins do I have? So okay, so nothing else to move it, and then okay, let's see. Okay, so I have a couple of Canadian coins here. Let's see what's the perfect fit. Oh no, this is too big. Definitely Tunis is big. So we got the quarters here. Oops! It's already come in. Come on. I accidentally put. Let's see if this works too. Okay, so nothing happened. Okay, I'll grab another coins. Okay, so I don't know why I grab another $1 Arluni here, but yes, not gonna work. How about the 5 pesos? I got a couple of Philippine money here, and this is the quarter Canadian dollars. This looks perfect, right? So let's see, but let's do B. Let's see. This will work. It's not really working. So we got this one. Oh, it doesn't fit. This two teeth. Okay, let's see what's inside. Why? Yeah, that sucks. This is not working. How are you supposed to trigger it? I don't know. Okay, I see like something there. See if we can manually. Okay, let's just do one more time. Come on, buddy. Okay, I know my battery is working. So that's the one that's triggered it, but okay. So too bad, too sad, it's not working. But I don't know why. So okay, yeah, it's so bad that it's not really working anymore. But still, I guess it is still like a cool piece to, you know, to share and to display. So okay, so there you go, guys. We will try to get more cool can say Herobank release or series, and let's see what other, and hopefully I can find more of these and share it to you guys. So as always, if you're not a subscriber yet, please don't forget to smash the subscribe buttons now and hit the bell icons so you're always updated to my all latest my latest uploaded videos and reviews. So don't forget to do that. And if you like this video and if you like this figure, please don't forget to like this video and hopefully get a chance to share it to other fellow collectors. Okay, so once again, thank you guys for watching, See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.